What's up guys? Welcome back to a craft a day with yours truly, Araceli Chan DIY. So the theme for this week's DIYs, grab your tea and let's get crafting. Today I'm making this super adorable trio of Christmas trees, and I'm reusing this Dollar Tree DIY, and I used a Dollar Tree wooden Christmas tree plaque for it, and then I also cut out 2 other Christmas tree shapes, and then using some chipboard, or you can use cardboard, you can trace out those shapes as well. To give these trees some texture, I'm going to use this self-adhesive wall tile, some cardstock, which is kind of textured, and then also this adhesive cork sheet. For the smallest tree, I'm going to take these adhesive half beads, and they do come in little strands, so I'm just going to kind of go around the tree on that one, and then I'm going to be using a flat white paint to just go over it. I really love getting oops paint or sample paints that weren't purchased at either Home Depot or Lowe's, because it's always a really good price in comparison to like just regular craft paint. However, this tile does not paint well. I actually ended up spraying it with some primer and then going over it with some paint. Otherwise you're gonna have to go on layer after layer, but this is what it looks like when you do it correctly. Okay, once they're all painted and everything's glued on there, I'm going to go ahead and glue them on top of each other. And you guys can see that there's a base at the bottom, and I just used a Dollar Tree wooden block thing and painted it black and just attached everything on top, and this is the end result. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to a craft a day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.